Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton, and this is my channel. Now, today I got a really cool unboxing. That's right. I have a really cool unboxing I want to show you that I think that you enjoy, and you can use the technique that was shown to me by my friend Stephanie to get yourself great deals as well. All right? And it'll be coming up in about 20 seconds. So that gives you enough time to get your drink together, chips, relax, and enjoy this unboxing with me. I'll be right back. Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton, and this is my channel. And today we're gonna do a surprise unboxing. That's right, we're gonna do a surprise unboxing. Now, usually when I do unboxing, it's some type of tech gear or something such as that, or maybe do a review of, or if I do a review, it's usually over, food or something such as that. This is gonna be a little bit different. Okay. Now, you know, you all can get great deals on Amazon. Okay, that's one of the places I like to shop. Uh, I do shop on eBay every once in a while, but if you're gonna do some shopping, do it on Amazon. Okay, and the reason I say that is because my friend Stephanie has shown me a way to get great deals on not just tech stuff, but just things in general. And one of the ways is you go to Amazon, you type in what you want, and then you just at the end you type in the word clearance or you type in the word sale, SALE. All right, and then you'll be surprised at all these discounted prices on the items that you were looking for. Okay, now I was up there the other day. I was going to work about I guess about 2 or 3 weeks ago. I was working, going to work, walking to work because I take the bus. And it's winter, snow's on the ground. All of a sudden, my big toe is just freezing, and didn't know why. Well, I had to show y'all. You see that? Yeah, yeah. I even told my mom about it. Yep. And because I was like, what in the world? So I had been walking and working so much that it put a hole in my shoe. Okay. And I'm not the type of person who want to go around and just borrow money, especially not from family members, stuff like that, because even if you pay it back, they they have a tendency to have this attitude where, you know, well, you owe me now. Okay. They all of a sudden they become like a don, a mafia don. Well, you owe me now. Okay. You owe me. So one day I'm going to come to you as a favor. All right. And you're going to answer that favor for me with no questions asked. Okay. It's like, dude, mom, I'm just asking for like $40 until next week, you know. But family members and stuff like that sometimes do have a tendency to bring them back up and throw it in your face. So I very seldom ask anybody for help unless I just have no choice, But this, I found this deal with Stephanie's help, her technique that she showed me, my friend Stephanie. And let's get it. Okay. Here it is. This is gonna be the unboxing. So this is the first time I'm seeing this, and you get to see it with me. So let's cut this open. Ooh. Goodies. Alright. Like Christmas. Ooh. And here they are. Nice, huh? Get my scissors out here. That's right. Yeah, I'm 9.5. My foot size is like 9.5, almost 10. Yeah. Kind of big for a short guy, but nice. Inner padding. Look at that for the winter. Right. And what I bought these is super important is it's water resistant. Okay, so you can wear them in the winter, but you can also wear them in the spring. They're water resistant. Look at that thicker sole. I like it when when you get new shoes, right? And they have a thick sole because I'm short, so that gives me an extra 1.5 inches on my height. Quit thinking dirty. All right, now, so that's my unboxing. Now, here's the fun part, the price. Because I did that little technique I told you about. The price for my new work boots, they were on clearance. I mean, rather on sale. They were normally $40. I got these, and I got these for $19. They were half off. New work winter boots. And I can wear them in spring too. $19. That's it. All right. That's hard to beat. Okay. And they have stuff not just for adults. They have stuff for kids that's considerably cheaper than 19. You know, shoes, boots, whatever. And it's brand new, good quality, brand new. This is not a used product. All right. And it also comes with a guarantee. So if you don't like it, you can't send it back. That's Amazon. All right. And I just wanted to show y'all that. Thanks for being here with me and checking out my videos. And don't forget, if you like, share this, subscribe, and I will rap to y'all later. Peace, my people.